For just one time, I would take the Northwest Passage to find the hand of Franklin reaching for the Beaufort Sea, tracing one warm line through a land so wide and savage, and make a Northwest Passage to the sea.
Hey everybody, I'm Odell Stoddard, the Blue Nose Carpenter. So I've got some great news for the Carlyle Chase the Ace thing for the school. We've had some really good progress with that. We've had a lot of ideas. It's been online now for a couple of weeks, so we've had a chance to really get some good ideas. Where's my chalk? There we are. I've had some great ideas, but first I have a special thank you to Joey Brady for giving me permission to go into the old schoolhouse on Swift Creek to get some material for this specific project. So just so you all know, the piece that whatever you guys decide that I'm going to build is actually going to be salvaged material from the old schoolhouse. So the old schoolhouse is going to be donating material for the new schoolhouse. I think that's kind of appropriate. So anyway, it's great news for that, and so somebody's going to be lucky to own a piece of the old schoolhouse before it ever gets torn down, because it seems like that's going to probably happen sooner than we would like. It's a great piece of history that's no longer going to be with us, so somebody's going to get a piece of that. So anyway, on to the ideas. We've got lots of ideas. And you guys have all been really helpful in sending ideas in on Instagram and on Facebook, and I've got a few emailed, and then people tell me in the street. So I made a list of them all, and if I missed your idea, I do apologize, but I'm pretty sure I got all of them. So let's start with the top. So we had a yard swing. Yard swings, number one. Sorry, my handwriting is pretty horrible. A picnic table. A makeup vanity, similar to the one that I made for my wife. A console table, like in a small table that would go in a hallway or on the edge of a room. A rustic dining room table, a large one. A Shea lounge, an outdoor one. A bookshelf. A stump carving. A rocking chair. A study desk. A mudroom bench. And a computer desk. There. Those are all the ideas that were put forth on Facebook and everywhere else for the campaign. So this is the full list. Now from this list, there's a few that might not be the greatest for this particular idea. I think stump carving, we're going to scratch that off. As much as I would love to do one, it's not something that I can just sell to anybody because you have to have a stump in your backyard. Not everybody has one, and I want to build this throughout the campaign and then sell it at the end. So no stump carving. I think I've done a makeup vanity. I have a few more to build. I know a lot of people like it, but just in the interest of knocking this list down, I'm going to take that off the list. Let's see. A console table I like. It's a little small. I'm thinking I might do a larger piece than that. So I think for now I'll take that off. And so out of the rest of the list, I'm going to pick 5. I like a rocking chair and computer desk and study desk. I think are kind of the same thing. I couldn't see myself building a study desk without an option of putting a computer on it, so I think we'll get rid of study desk because I think the computer desk is going to do everything that you need it to. And a bookshelf, I think that goes with the theme. Rustic dining room table. I think a lot of people would be interested in that, so let's do that. So we got 4. Yard swing, mudroom bench, and Shea lounge. Eeny, miny, mo, catch tiger by the toe, eat the collars, let him go, out, slide, go, you. Let's do Shea lounge. Okay, now we're here, we have 5 options. I really like the idea of a picnic table. I think that should be on the list. So let's call it 6. I was going to do 5, but I like 6. So 6 ideas. Computer desk, rocking chair, bookshelf, Shea lounge, rustic dining room table, or a picnic table. Let's have your votes, and yeah, vote on Instagram, Facebook. This is going to get posted on YouTube as well. You can vote for it there. And send me your ideas, and we'll get on this. May the best idea win. I can't wait.